Hi, Rana here from Technical Rescue Team Parliament. Today we will learn how to use the Sales Navigator upload accounts feature. We will explore how to upload the accounts on the Sales Navigator. If you have a list of companies, then you can directly upload into the Sales Navigator by using the account section and upload accounts. Here you will have a sample text file, CSV file. If you are uploading a LinkedIn URL, then just upload the LinkedIn company URL and ID. If you don't have the LinkedIn URL, then you must have two things. The first one is account, and the second is website URL, but the account name or company name is compulsory for this. So use this account filters and find the relevant companies by add information into the filters and install a Chrome extension named Ava Boot. So I have installed this one, Ava Boot. So find the contacts here and click on the export with Ava Boot. The other extensions will scrap only the contacts, like Lemon Leads is only fetching or scraping the contacts, details, emails from the LinkedIn profiles, but there are no option to get the accounts. Okay, let me add a revenue, for example 20 million to 500 million. Okay, when you click on select all, it will select only the 25 companies, but if you want to export around 2500 companies at once, then just use the export with Everboat extension. It's free to use. After exporting this, download the list and upload into the account section. As I have explained earlier, click on the upload accounts. So tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.